All right, guys, so here we are. We are on site at a private collection here of Willys, Jeeps, GPs. We've got a whole bunch of different vehicles. So what we've got here is Tanner, and Tanner is standing next to a really cool item. This is a crated engine. It's a 1944 Willys crated engine. Never been installed. Exactly the way that it was going to be shipped over to be replaced into a vehicle or put into a vehicle. You've got Cosmoline on the Carter WO, Cosmoline covers. Everything is set up. Willys right there on the fan belt, painted and everything in a crate, ready to be installed on the fly. So the way this would have worked is this cover would have come down, straight down like this, and there were straps. You can see where the straps used to be right here. And they'd be strapped along the sides, and you've got these lag bolts here, and you've got two of them on this side and two of them on the other side. The way that would have worked is you would remove those, and then this whole top would come off, and you would have the engine accessible. It would get lifted out, put into the new vehicle, and then the core or whatever was going to be rebuilt would be lowered back in. And this cage would have gone right back over top of it, reinstalling the lag bolts and shipped back home to get rebuilt so that it could be put into another vehicle. Really, really nice piece of history. Seeing the way that they were able to do this during the war, very awesome. So we're going to keep taking a look and see what else we can find here. This is just the beginning.